I'm Jason from Fairwheel Bikes, and today we're going to take a look at a custom Eyewater. Eyewater is a small bike builder out of Seattle, Washington. The founder, Corey, has been at it for quite a few years. He built frames for Specialized, Cannondale, Parley. So while it's a newer brand, he's definitely not new to building bikes. Front end, we did a Schmolke TLO handlebar and stem. Those come in at around 225 grams for the pair. Mated to an Altitude carbon Garmin mount. Cranks are the Roadbar Aldhu carbon in spider power meter with oval 3652 rings. The dropouts and brake bridge are one-offs 3D printed by Silka specifically for each frame's custom geometry. The frame's full carbon fiber with an internal T47 bottom bracket. Cerakote graphics instead of the typical water slicks. We started with a Sram Red group because the new levers aren't made in a mechanical version, and the previous generation levers are virtually impossible to find. We had to go with a force lever. Wheels are NV 2.2s because he wanted hooked rims instead of hookless. Those are built with CX Race spokes and carbon tie hubs that come in at around 220 grams. Conti GP 5000s in 30C with Vittoria latex tubes. The rider on this bike had some specific requirements. He wanted a traditional bike, super stiff, but he also wanted rim brakes that would take 32 tires at least. We did the TRP brakes because they have more clearance than just about any other brake on the market. So these are 30s, there's room for 32s and even 34s in there. .1033 SRAM cassette with, as I said, a 3652 chainring. We've got Altitude cages with some modifications. The rubber grommets taken out of old tune cages just to add a little extra security to the bottles. He brought his own saddle, Sella SMP. Bjorn seat post just to cut down the weight. It's about the lightest offset seat post you can get, having 20 millimeters of offset. And that's the full bike. It came in right on target at 6.85 kilos. The goal was to be just over 6.8. If you want to support us, hit the like and subscribe button, leave a comment, let us know what you like, don't like, or what you'd like to see in the future.